Hello students, hope you found the chapter 1 textbook questions answers helpful. Presenting textbook questions answers for chapter 2, Leaves, the food factory of plants. Subscribe to the channel for more textbook chapter questions and answers. A. Tick the correct answer. 1. Dash is are parts of a leaf. A. Midrib. B. Side veins. C. Leaf blade. D. All of these. The correct answer is D. All of these. 2. Which of the following is known as the food factory of a plant? A. Root. B. Stem. C. Leaf. D. Flower. The correct answer is C. Leaf. 3. Which of the following plant parts stores food? Option A. Leaf. B. Stem. C. Root. D. All of these. The correct answer is D. All of these. 4. Dash obtain food from dead and decaying plants and animals. Option A. Cacti. B. Mushrooms. C. Molds. D. Both B and C. The correct answer is D. Both B and C. 5. Dash is the form in which plants make food. Option A. Starch. B. Sugar. C. Both A and B. D. None of these. The correct answer is B. Sugar. B. State true or false. 1. Stomata can be seen with the naked eye. False. 2. Leaves need oxygen to make their food. False. 3. Photo in the word photosynthesis means light. True. 4. The pitcher plant can make its own food. False. 5. Plants and animals can live independent of each other. False. Fill in the blanks using the words given in the box. Sun. Bracket fungi. Stomata. Starch. Edible. Blue-black. 1. When waistline is applied to a leaf, it blocks the dash. 2. Spinach, peas and banana are dash plant parts. 3. Presence of dash is shown if a bleached leaf turns dash on addition of iodine. 4. Plants make food using energy from the dash. 5. Dash grow on tree trunks. 1. When waistline is applied to a leaf, it blocks the stomata. 2. Spinach, peas and banana are edible plant parts. 3. Presence of starch is shown if a bleached leaf turns blue-black on addition of iodine. 4. Plants make food using energy from the sun. 5. Bracket fungi grow on tree trunks. What happens when 1. A green leaf is boiled in alcohol? Answer. The green leaf turns white in color as the chlorophyll is extracted by boiling in alcohol and remove the green color of the leaves. This helps in starch testing. 2. A leaf with green and non-green portions is tested for starch? Answer. Only the green portion of the leaf turns blue-black after adding iodine, as only the green part performs photosynthesis and hence contains starch. 3. A leaf is covered with waistline for some time, plucked and then tested for starch? Answer. The leaf that was covered with waistline does not turn blue-black on addition of iodine. This happened because waistline blocks the stomata, due to which carbon dioxide cannot enter the leaf. This stops the process of photosynthesis. A. Answer the following questions. Short answer questions. 1. Name the different parts of a leaf. Answer. The different parts of a leaf are A. Leaf apex. B. Leaf blade. C. Midrib or main vein. D. Side veins. E. Stomata. 2. What is chlorophyll? What is its role in the process of photosynthesis? Answer. The green substance present in leaves is called chlorophyll. Chlorophyll traps energy from sunlight and makes the energy available to the plants for photosynthesis. 3. Define the term photosynthesis. Answer. Photo means light and synthesis means preparing or putting together. Thus, photosynthesis is the process by which green plants prepare their food in the presence of sunlight. Photo means light. Plus, synthesis means preparing or putting together. Makes the word photosynthesis. 4. Give 2 examples of each of a stem, root, leaf, seed and fruit that store food. Answer. Example of the parts where plants store food are: 1. Stem, example potato, sugarcane. 2. Root, example radish, carrot. 3. Leaf, example cabbage, lettuce. 4. Seed, example kidney beans, peas. 5. Fruit, example banana, apple. 5. What are fungi? Give 2 examples. Answer. Fungi are the non-green plants that do not have chlorophyll and hence cannot make their own food. They depend on dead and decaying plants and animals for food. Example: mushroom, bracket fungi, bread mold. Long answer questions. Write a short note on stomata. Answer. Stomata are the tiny pores present on the lower surface of the leaves. The functions of stomata are: 1. Stomata helps in taking in carbon dioxide and giving out oxygen during photosynthesis. 2. Stomata helps in taking in oxygen and giving out carbon dioxide during respiration. 3. Stomata helps in transpiration. 2. Explain the process by which leaves make food for plants. Answer. Green leaves of plants take in carbon dioxide from air through stomata. Water is obtained from soil through the roots and supplied to leaves through veins. The leaves of the green plants contain a green substance called chlorophyll. Chlorophyll traps energy from sunlight. Green leaves use the energy of sunlight to prepare food from carbon dioxide and water. Since this process takes place in the presence of sunlight, it is called photosynthesis. Leaves use the energy of the sun to change water and carbon dioxide into a kind of sugar. This sugar is then taken to all parts of the plant by the vein and the stem. 3. How can you show that carbon dioxide is necessary for plants to make food? Answer. We can show that carbon dioxide is necessary for plants to make food by doing a simple experiment. Choose a green leaf of a plant without plucking it. Apply waistline on both sides of the leaf. Keep the plant outside in sunlight for 2 to 3 days. After that, test this leaf for starch using iodine solution. Also test another leaf from the same plant that was not covered with waistline. The leaf that was not covered with waistline turns blue-black, showing starch is present. The leaf covered with waistline does not turn blue-black, which means no food was made. Waistline blocks the stomata, so carbon dioxide cannot enter the leaf. Without carbon dioxide, photosynthesis stops, and the leaf cannot make food. This shows that carbon dioxide is necessary for plants to make food. 4. Describe how plants use the food made by leaves. What happens to the extra food? Answer. The food prepared by plants' leaves is in the form of sugar or glucose. This food is then taken to all parts of the plant by the stem. Plants use this food to get energy and for growth. The extra food is changed into a substance called starch. Starch is stored in roots, stem, leaves, flowers, fruits and seeds which are edible by other living organisms. 5. What are the functions of a leaf? Answer. The functions of a leaf are: 1. The primary function of a leaf is to prepare food for the whole plant. 2. Stomata present in the leaf helps the plant to breathe. 3. Leaves of some plants store food. We eat them as vegetables. 6. What are insectivorous plants? Explain how a picture plant obtains its food. Answer. The plants that traps and kills insects for food are called insectivorous or carnivorous plants. The leaf of a pitcher plant is shaped like a pitcher with a small lid. The pitcher is brightly colored to attract insects. When an insect enters the pitcher, the lid closes. This traps the insect inside. Digestive juices inside the pitcher digest the insect. 7. Explain the flow of energy between living organisms. Answer. All living organisms need energy to do different activities like moving, growing, and working. They get this energy from the food they eat. Green plants make their own food using sunlight through a process called photosynthesis. The sun is the main source of energy. Animals and human beings cannot make their own food. They depend on plants directly by eating them or indirectly by eating other animals that eat plants. So, the energy from the sun first flows to plants, then to animals, and finally to human beings. This is how the flow of energy takes place in nature, from the sun to plants to animals to humans. 8. Plants and animals are interdependent on each other. Justify this statement with the help of an example. Answer. Plants and animals are the two main groups of living organisms on Earth. They depend on each other to survive. Animals need oxygen to breathe and food to eat, both of which they get from plants. Plants, on the other hand, need carbon dioxide to make food. Animals breathe out carbon dioxide, which is used by plants during photosynthesis. So, animals depend on plants for food and oxygen, and plants depend on animals for carbon dioxide. Example, a cow eats grass, plant, for food. While breathing, it gives out carbon dioxide which the grass uses to make its food. This shows that plants and animals are interdependent for their survival. HOTS, higher order thinking. 1. Why do we remove the green color of a leaf before testing it for starch? Answer. We remove the green color of a leaf before testing it for starch because the green color, called chlorophyll, can hide the color change during the iodine test. In the starch test, we use iodine solution, which turns blue-black if starch is present. To see this color change clearly, we first boil the leaf in alcohol to remove the green chlorophyll. This makes the leaf pale and helps us see the blue-black color easily, showing that the leaf has made food, presence of starch. 2. A. Which of the above can make food? Water lily and sugarcane can make food. B. Name the group to which the others belongs to. The mushroom belongs to fungi, which can't make their own food. Hope you found the Chapter 2, Textbook Questions Answers helpful. Questions Answers for Chapter 3, Adaptations in Animals is coming soon. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss the upcoming textbook chapter questions and answers. Keep learning, keep shining, and I will see you in the next video.